all about e-Shram card. E-Shram card. This is a government of India initiative. Let us know about it. Objectives of e-Shram portal. Creation of a centralized database of all unorganized workers, including construction workers, migrant workers, etc. To improve the implementation efficiency of the social security services for the unorganized workers, integration of social security schemes meant for unorganized workers being administered by MOL and subsequently those run by other ministries as well. MOL is Ministry of Labour Employment. Sharing of information in respect of registered unorganized workers with various stakeholders such as ministries, departments, boards, agencies, organizations of the central and state governments through APIs for delivery of various social security and welfare schemes being administered by them. Portability of the social security and welfare benefits to the migrant and construction workers, providing a comprehensive database to central and state governments for tracking any national crisis like COVID-19 in future. Who can register in e-Shram or NDUW portal? Any individual satisfying following conditions can register on the portal. An unorganized worker between the age of 16 to 59 years who is not a member of EPFO, ESIC or NPS which is funded by government. Who is an unorganized worker? Any worker who is a home-based worker, self-employed worker or a wage worker in the unorganized sector, including a worker in the organized sector who is not a member of ESIC or EPFO or not a government employee is called an unorganized worker. What is required for registration? Following is required for registration on the portal: Aadhaar number, mobile number linked with the Aadhaar, and savings bank account number with IFSC code. What is UAN? Universal account number is a 12 digits number uniquely assigned to each unorganized worker after registration on e-Shram portal. UAN number will be a permanent number, that is, once assigned it will remain unchanged for the worker's lifetime. Benefits of getting registered. Central government has developed e-Shram portal which will be a centralized database of unorganized workers seeded with Aadhaar. After registering, he/she will get an accidental insurance cover of 2 lakhs under PMSBY. In future, all the social security benefits of unorganized workers will be delivered through this portal. In emergency and national pandemic-like situations, this database may be utilized to provide necessary assistance to the eligible unorganized workers. Validity period. This is a permanent number and valid for lifetime. Renewal. There is no need to renew the e-Shram card to the workers to regularly update their details, mobile number, current address, etc. In order to keep his account active, he/she is required to update his account at least once in a year. What is NCO? It is a national classification of occupation prepared on the basis of work and skill levels required to execute the work. It is an international practice. Sorry for the disturbance. It is an international practice and uniform across the country. It helps in comparing, classifying, sorting occupations and skill levels. Primary and secondary level of occupation. At the time of registration, workers need to select occupation. It will be based on two-level selection. At first level, workers need to select the sector, that is agriculture, automobiles, construction, etc., which is broad-based category of activities. At secondary level, worker is required to select his activity in the form of occupation which worker is currently doing. The activity which is source of his major income is primary activity occupation. Any other activity which is a minor but significant source of income is called secondary occupation. Is occupation same as a skill? A skill is a learned or natural ability to accomplish a particular task, whereas an occupation is a person's usual or principal work or business, especially as a means of earning a living. What shall the Labour Ministry do with the details? It is a centralized database seeded with Aadhaar. It will be used for delivery of social security benefits as implemented by central and state ministries. It will also ensure portability of the social security and welfare benefits to the migrant and construction workers at their working places. It may also be used for providing assistance during national crisis. What to do after that? Nominee or family member should file a claim along with relevant documents on the eShram portal or the nearest CSCs. They may also contact their concerned banks. Toll-free number or help desk 14434. I repeat, 14434 is the toll-free number, but this is of no use as per my experience. I tried to contact them 6 times. It only directs you to website. Is income certificate and date of birth certificate required for registration? At present, there is no need to provide any proof of date of birth and income. Grievance redressal. You may call on National Help Desk number, which is useless, or you may register your grievance on eShram grievance portal, that is gms.eshram.gov.in. Is there any essential qualification required for registration? No. She should only be required to be employed in the gainful employment in the unorganized sector. Documents required. Workers are not required any document at the CSCs. They are required to carry their Aadhaar number, mobile number and bank account details along with IFSC code to register for registration along with bank account details. What after the age of 60? Workers do not need to take any action after attaining the age of 60. She will continue to get benefits under eShram project he is entitled for. How to find the nearest registration center? Please copy paste the link given below, that is which I am going to speak, and click it. It is https://findmycsc.nic.in/csc/. Are farmers eligible? Only agricultural laborers and landless farmers are eligible for registration in the eShram portal. Other farmers are not eligible. What is the relevance of age of 16 and 18 years in the scheme? Once you are of 16, you are eligible for registration provided you satisfy other registration criteria. But the person should be between 18 and 59 to be eligible for PMSBY through eShram registration. What is PMSBY? Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana (PMSBY) is a social security scheme that offers 1 year accidental death and disability cover that can be renewed every year. Thank you. Sitaram.